Hi, today I wanted to talk a little bit about gaining access to your owner's portal as well as how to do funding contributions to your property. These are some questions that I get quite a bit, and I wanted to take a little bit of time and create a video to help demonstrate how this works. So first, we're going to go ahead and get started. And as you can see, the first thing to do is to go into HoustonPropertyManagement.com, which is our website. Immediately thereafter, you're going to go into the owner section, and then you're going to go into the owner login section. This is where you'll be able to get directly to your owner portal. To gain access, you will need to have set up your email and a password, and typically we do that right up from the very beginning when you set up your account. So you should have this set up, and if you haven't done so, please let us know, and we'll send you an email reminder or an email that stays that with a link that will allow you to go ahead and create your password and get you going. If you've already set it up and you just don't remember your password, then it's pretty important to go ahead and use your forgot password, and that will allow you to get another link and go from there. So once you sign in, you put in your username and your password, you sign in, and you're going to get immediately access to your dashboard. Your dashboard is going to have multiple information. It's going to have messages, it's going to have your properties that you own, any of your owner distributions, which is a question you have, and then it's going to have an overview of your service issues that may be open or even closed for that matter. So today we're going to focus on the contributions, and so you can see here that there's several tabs available, several options, and the first one you're going to go look at is make contributions. So you're going to click on that. You're going to get a screen with the type of contribution that you have and a list of the properties that are available to you. In doing so, you're going to be able to select, okay, I want to do this from an ACH checking, an ACH savings account, or a credit card. The difference is I always will recommend that if you can, use a checking or savings account, because the cost is only $2.95, where a credit card could potentially charge you up to 3% or more. So we don't want to, we don't encourage a large fee, and so we would recommend that you do a checking. Here you have the ability to put comments. That's optional to you. And here in the main area here, you're going to be able to see that you have the properties that you have, how much the reserve for each property is, and also what the bank balance is currently with us. So for instance, in these three properties, we currently have $200, $200, and $200 for each. Should any of these be negative, you need to account for that when making your contributions. So if this was to be $200, or it should be negative $200, then we would need for you to put the $200 plus the what the reserve should be, $200. So you would contribute $400 to get back to your reserve. If you have a work order that you're approving and you need funding for that work order, then again I would take that plus your reserve and plus the amount of the work order that you need to pay for. So having said that, you're going to put in here your comment, and this could be as simple as adding funding for approved repairs, and I'm contributing $600. So if you're going to just contribute for this one property, then that's all you would need. If you can contribute to another property as well, then you have the ability to do that independently for each property, so that way the fundings gets applied to that specific property. Once you're set here, you're going to press continue, and it's going to bring up the banking information. So here you're going to put in the account number that you have. You've selected ACH checking, so you're going to put account number 1265432, and then the routing number for that bank account is typically always going to be 9 digits. So it's going to be 111222333. Obviously, if the routing number is invalid, it's going to give you so. Okay, so to approve that routing number, it's giving me how much I'm contributing plus what the fee would be for that particular transaction. Okay, you're going to come in here and put in the name for the billing information for this account and what the address that this account is registered under. So please make sure that whenever you're getting ready to do your contribution that this gets check marked, because if it doesn't, then you will not be able to do that contribution. Now, I'm not going to price a contribution because obviously this account is invalid, but once you're done and you put in the information, it is as simple as selecting make contribution, and the funds will get drafted from your bank account and will be registered directly into that property. If you have any questions regarding making a contribution, please feel free to contact us. Phone number is 281-894-8659, and our email is management@eldams.com. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you would like to see other videos like this that will be helpful, please do not hesitate to contact us. We want to make this as simple as possible for everybody, and we will be following up this video with others that will be helpful. So thank you, and I hope this has been helpful.